Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use the strings command on Linux. So first of all we will go into terminal and I will show you how you can do it. So what basically does the strings command? Strings command is used to extract readable text from binary files. Because I will show you an example in a second why we cannot use cat command in order to read binary files. So the main syntax of strings command looks like this. So strings, and we have to here specify the file name. But first of all I will show you the example with cat. So we can display the file, what is inside of the file, by using cat, and I will show you the binary file from this directory. As you can see, by using cat we have the weird output. We cannot read anything because this is a binary file, but we can use strings command as I said before. So I will clear that and we can use strings, and right now again the same directory, so bin and ls. As you can see, by using the strings command we can read everything correctly and everything is working fine. Strings command is also very useful if you are using it on the, for example, image files or music files. You can often find interesting metadata, for example in music, like artist title, encoder, and some more different information. And now I will show you how you can filter it. So for example, let's say that we want to find some useful things with grep inside this output. Inside this output. So again, bin ls, and we can, for example, with grep search for version. As you can see, we have some version outputs right there. Also we can, for example, search for errors like this. So bin list grep -i, for example, errors. As you can see, we have an error output right there. So this is how you can use it. And now I will show you a practical example that might be interesting. So we will create a normal text file. So we can do something like this. So for example, echo secret password equals 1 2 3 4 5, for example, and we will save it in the test file.txt. As you can see, if I will cut it, it will work like this. And right now we will convert it to a binary. So cat test.txt with bin ls and, for example, mixed file. And now we'll list it. As you can see, we have mixed file right there. With cat we cannot read it, as I said before, but with strings we can do it. So strings mixed file, and we can grep secret, and as you can see, secret password 1 2 3 4. So everything is working, and this is how you can use the strings command on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.